How to adjust contrast in VLC Media Player. Hey guys, and welcome back to Delve Stack. In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust the contrast in VLC Media Player so your videos look sharper, clearer, and more vibrant. Sometimes video appear washed out or too dull, and adjusting the contrast can make a huge difference. VLC has built-in tools that let you change contrast, brightness, saturation, and gamma in real time, giving you full control over your video playback. Stick around because I'll show you the step-by-step process to get it done quickly and easily. First of all, you gotta open VLC Media Player on your computer. Then you gotta click on Media and then Open File and select the video you want to adjust. Play the video so you can see the changes in real time as we adjust the contrast. Then you gotta click on Tools from the top menu and select Effects and Filters from the drop-down menu or press Ctrl+E on your keyboard. This opens the Adjustments and Effects window. Here, you gotta go to the Video Effects tab in the Adjustments and Effects window. Click on Video Effects tab, and here you'll see multiple sections like Essential, Crop, Colors, Geometry, and Advanced. Make sure you are in the Essential Colors section. You'll see sliders for brightness, contrast, saturation, and gamma. To adjust contrast, move the contrast slider left or right. Moving it to right increases contrast, making the darks darker and the lights brighter. Moving it to the left reduces contrast, giving it a softer, flatter look. You can also tweak brightness, saturation, and gamma to get the perfect visual balance. Watch your video as you adjust. VLC applies the changes in real time, so it's easy to see what looks best. If your video still looks off, try adjusting brightness and gamma along with contrast. VLC applies these settings only while the video is playing. They don't permanently change the file. Make sure your VLC version is up to date for the smoothest experience. Adjusting contrast is perfect for videos that look washed out or dull, older movies or clips with poor lighting, gaming videos or tutorials to make visuals pop, improving the overall clarity and sharpness of your video. And that's it. That's how you can adjust contrast in VLC Media Player quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more simple VLC tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.